Alright, so this is again your type 1 sort of question. Let's see what has been asked. The compound interest on a certain sum of money for 2 years at 5% is rupees 328. So certain sum of money is not known to us. We have to find that out. Then the sum is how much, right? So we'll try to do the same process in a little different way. So you know that the process is being used for 2 years, right? So for 2 years consecutively 5% is being applied, right? So you know that if that happens for 2 years, I have already told you that you should read the same chapter with the conjunction of chapter of percentages. So in that chapter what we had learned was, if a percent value is being applied for repeated years, we can actually calculate a effective percentage rate, right? So if this thing was getting applied on a certain sum for 2 years, you could calculate an effective percentage value, which is a plus b plus ab by 100. We had already dealt with this particular formula, in which a is the rate of interest or the percentage rate for the first year, and then for the next time or the second year it is b. So this formula actually calculates the effective percentage rate. So instead of applying this 5% on a particular sum for 2 years, what you can do is you can find out the effective percentage and apply the effective percentage rate on the same sum for one particular year, right? So this is what is happening in the effective percentage formula. So if you put 5 in this particular case, in which a and b both are same, that is 5, you're going to get your answer as 5 plus 5 plus 5 into 5 over 100, right? So this 5 plus 5 gives you 10. 5 times 5 is 25. 25 by 100 gives you 0.25. If that gets added to 10, it becomes rupees, not rupees, rate of interest as 10.25 percentage. So this is your effective percentage or effective rate of interest, right? So this you can apply on the principal value, that is the sum which we don't know it yet. You can apply it on that for 1 year, right? So instead of making it applicable for 2 years, this rate of interest, the effective one for 1 year, would give you the same answer. Now this 10.25%, that is the effective rate which is being applied on the principal, this percentage rate is giving you an interest of rupees 328. This is known to us. So this 10.25% being applied on the principal gives you 328. So you know that the first initial sum is going to be 100% value, and if you take certain part of it, that is the 10.25 percentage of it, you are going to get 328 as your answer. So you have to find out 100% rate, right? So 10.25% is known to you, 100% you don't know. That is what you have to find out. So in order to do that, you do a cross multiplication over here, and you're going to get your answer as 328 into 100 by 10.25, right? This will give you this particular value, right? Are you clear with how we have done this? What is happening over here is 10.25% gives you 328, and 100% you have assumed it to be x over here. So this x goes over here in the cross multiplication, and this 100 goes over here, and this 10.25 comes in the denominator. This is exactly what we have done over here. So if you try to solve this particular process, you should make an effort to simplify this as much as you can, and your final answer is going to look something like rupees 3200, right? So this is going to be the sum on which, if 5% interest is being applied, compound interest that is, you're going to generate an interest of rupees 328 in 2 years, right? So again, we have made sure that we haven't used the exponential power formula, and we have made the entire problem quite simple.
If you like my lecture, please subscribe to my channel. You can also provide me feedback in the comment section so that I can make the required changes and improve the quality of videos as well as the content. You can also join my Facebook group as well as my Facebook page. where I provide regular updates as well as regular PDFs and test on a daily basis. I have Telegram channel as well as Telegram group also. You can join those also. There I provide regular PDFs as well as regular tests. The name of Facebook and Telegram groups and channels is Success RBI or Success SBI. There's a mobile app also. The name of the app is Infinity. You can join that app, you can download that app, and that will allow you to take quizzes just like you take a quiz in the real scenario when you go and take the examination, the government examinations. So that will help you get a better idea and take regular quizzes of phase 1 for RBI as well as SBI.